These 4 herbs can protect your brain from depression, anxiety, Alzheimer's and more. The hectic life forms we carry these days apply constant tension in our bodies and minds. Even more to our brains, since we need to process a lot of new information daily, and we are exposed to constant electromagnetic radiation. Therefore, many people suffer from sleep disorders, increased levels of anxiety and susceptibility to depression. Therefore, the number of people suffering from Alzheimer's disease and mental illnesses is drastically increased. However, long-term prevention and treatment of these health problems is definitely a lifestyle change. Take more time to enjoy nature and relax your body and brain. On the other hand, herbal remedies can be of great help in calming the nervous system and managing stress. The following herbs have been scientifically proven to be able to treat anxiety, depression, reduce stress and increase your mental abilities. 1. Ginkgo biloba. It has been used because of its medicinal properties for hundreds of years. It is rich in antioxidants, known as terpenoids, which prevent organ damage and support heart health. It treats poor blood circulation and increases memory and, consequently, is also known as brain herb. Patients with dementia can gain numerous benefits from the daily use of Ginkgo biloba supplements. It improves circulation and oxygen flow to the brain. 2. Rosemary. Rosemary has been used for centuries because of its powerful effects to improve memory. The University of Northumbria has done an experiment with the aim of examining the effect of rosemary oil on future memory. 60 of the participants spent time in rooms full of rosemary oil aroma and 2 other types of oils. After a certain period, the researchers did many tests to check their memory. 3. Ginseng, Panax Quinquefolius. Ginseng has potent brain properties that increase anti-inflammatory, mood and mood enhancement. The Asian species of ginseng, or Panax ginseng, is the highest of the medicinal components. The daily use of ginseng supplements for 3 months in the case of Alzheimer's disease provides a great improvement in cognitive functions. This herb can also be used as a safe natural alternative in the treatment of disorders such as ADHD and ADD. 4. Mint, Mentha piperita. Peppermint provides numerous health effects, including better breathing, calms stomach problems, and boosts overall health. The mint leaves can be chewed, or consumed as tea, or ingested. At the Jesuit University of Wheeling, a study was conducted that has demonstrated the effects of inhaling the mint aroma supports brain function, and raises reasoning, problem-solving skills, and memorizing judgment skills. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family.